In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix ADP Mobile Solutions app not working. So if ADP Mobile Solutions application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application. In that case, what you have to do is update the app. Launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for ADP Mobile Solutions. Find the application for ADP Mobile Solutions and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while. After you do that, your application will be updated. Now your app should start working. But if your problem still does not solve, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for ADP Mobile and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info, that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and cache of this application will be cleared. Now try using the application, your problem should be solved. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, the temporary software glitches will be fixed and you'll be able to use the app. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix ADP Mobile Solutions app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.